Hello doctors, this video is for those plastic surgeon, dermatologists or hospital owners who wish to start a hair transplant. I'm Dr. Vivek, co-founder ISHR, an affiliate of World Society of Hair Restoration and Surgery. In this video, one of my plastic surgeon faculty is going to ask a question for you all, which I'm going to answer. Yes, doctor.
Sir, could you briefly walk us through the different courses and training modules offered by ISHR?
Okay, doctor. So, dear doctors, as you know, in different countries there are different regulations. Like in India, plastic surgeons can do hair transplant and dermatologists can do hair transplant. Others have to do under their supervision. But in different countries, somewhere MBBS can also do, like in UK, America, and Australia. Somewhere aesthetic physician, somewhere plastic, somewhere dermat. So you have to find out who is legal to do in which country the hair transplant. That's your job. That's your state and your country's license regulations. Now, see, we offer short-term, mid-range, and long hair transplant training programs. So we have a week hair transplant training program, those who don't have much time, and then we have 2 weeks, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year long fellowship programs. As you know, hair transplant is about hand-eye coordination under magnification. So your hand-eye skills has to be good, and your magnification usage you has to be used to it. So I may get two type of students. One who is absolutely fresher to the hair restoration, they will need longer time with us. Then the other one is who already do hair transplant, maybe they want to upgrade. See, we are in touch with the best in the world. We are among the top 50 clinics in the world. In Training Academy, without boasting, we are one of the best, okay? But we have scientific research team, publication of so many scientific papers. So what you get through us, you don't have to travel the world. We are there in different conferences, in touch with the best. So we pass on all the information to you. Okay. So if you are doing already hair transplant, you want to upgrade your skills. You want to know the latest technique like instant FUE, the biotic FUE, the cell FUE, the keep implanters, the Sapphire. You know, the safe local anesthesia without preservatives. No use of using adrenaline over here. How to use ropivacaine preservative-free safely. How to make as much safe as possible your hair transplant surgery. Okay. What are the top protocols of transfer of a hair follicle from hair to hair? They should not get damaged. The slit should be perfect. Minimum damage. The depth, angle, directions, curls should be perfect. Okay. So how to reduce outer body time of the hair grafts. So these are some new things, you know. No root touch technique implantation. The curls of the hair, right? How to reduce bleeding. The new protocols like using of Tenexa, vitamin K, and so many things. Post-op, you know, a special session putting on ATP, DMEM culture media, exosomes from your own blood, how to enhance graft survival post-hair transplant, how to prepare your patient before surgery with minoxidil, finasteride, B12, D3, how to get the vascularity back, how to bombard antioxidants so that the free radical injury is reduced. So there are a lot of new things. So all those doctors who are already practicing hair transplant, they can come us for maybe 3 days, maybe 5 days, 7 days, you know, short workshops. Because they already know hair transplant, they are coming here to upgrade. And if they already know hair transplant, they can also have an online short program with us. So we are going to pass on all the annual, you know, 2025, then 2026, 2027. Every year you can have a short online course with us if you're already a practicing hair transplant doctor. We promise you, we are going to open up something special every year. What is new? What is cell FUE? What is regenerative FUE? What is autologous exosomes? How to be preservative-free local anesthesia, safe local anesthesia, and whatnot. How to reduce bleeding. Okay, so you can also have an online program with us if you already very well, or if you're fresher, want to come for 3 to 5 days, come. But if you're already little experienced, you can come for 3 to 5 days. But if you're fresher, 2 weeks, 1 month, minimum is 1 week. Okay, otherwise we recommend 2 weeks, 1 month, 3 months program to us. So doctors, we have short-term training programs, we have online training programs, and we have long fellowships too. And one more thing, we are in Mumbai, the head office. Okay, we are opening our branches all over the world. We are looking for senior hair transplant doctors or those who have a good hair transplant facility to become a franchise, to become a part of our ISHR network. So we have a parent body called World Society of Hair Restoration Surgery, WSHRS. Okay, and under that is ISHR, Indian Society of Hair Restoration. But we are looking in America, Canada, Europe, South Africa, Singapore, okay, Australia, Morocco. So we are looking all across the world, channel partners who can train the doctors locally in their country, by taking a franchise of WSHRs, okay? So that we all can, connect each other regularly for upgradation of knowledge and share with us the business opportunities and the business protocols, how to grow together. So yes, we are inviting fellow doctors who already have a hair transplant clinic to be part of our global chain, okay? Number two, we also have flying trainer program now. What is that? We see in a very small amount, $5,000, $7,000, you can set up a minor operation theater. So callers will freely guide you how to set up a minor operation theater for the hair transplant surgery. If you have a minor operation theater, great, or you have to hire one, then I can send my surgeon or a dermatologist or my team member to you. So he will do under your license small surgeries in your place. Your patients can be model free consenting patient for the workshop or paid patient and given consent. So I can send my faculty to you maybe for a week. You keep cases under your license, they will do the surgeries, you're going to assist them. So now you can learn at your hospital, at your surgical facility if you don't have time. So we are bringing the training to your home, to your clinics, to your city worldwide. Some legalities of how my faculty will operate there under your license supervision that we can discuss on the phone. We also have chain of senior technicians all across the world, biodatas and database. So they can also be sent to you to support you initially, because initially your speed may be not too much high. So online video from Mumbai to rest of the world is open throughout. Faculty can travel to you, senior techs can travel to you, you can come to Mumbai. So so these are the new opportunities. As doctor asked, what are the models we have for training?